What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today I'm gonna be shelling out the money, doing a very much needed upgrade. We're gonna make some changes to the Duramax today. I've been putting it along for a while, limping it along as long as I can, mainly due to the expense, but Duramax is getting new tires today. I'm gonna review them for you. We'll see what we think of them. Anybody that's bought tires in the recent years knows they are just expensive, so hopefully I'm happy with what I'm doing. Guys, these are Mickey Thompson's on the truck now. They're the Baja MTZ tires. I have absolutely no complaints with the tires. They've worn nicely. They are just wore out. They ride nice. They've been a great tire. I'd replace them with the Mickey Thompsons if I could get them locally. Unfortunately, everywhere around here, they're a week out to get. If I ever have trouble with the tires, I'm going to have trouble getting an exact replacement. So we're switching up the brand. These are a 305, I believe. So they're 33-inch tall, 12-inch wide tire. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to put 35s on the truck, 12.5 wides. These are on a 20-inch wheel. So yeah, we'll have to see how it rides, see how it performs, see what it looks like. So let's get on the road and we're heading to the tire shop now. What's up, guys? So here we are. This is my little go-to hole-in-the-wall tire shop. Right, pull in here. You can see I've kind of had it with the big box stores. I don't support those guys anymore. They've stiffed me on more than one occasion. I've had issues with them. If you ask me, they're overpriced. These guys have always treated me fair and done me right, so we'll see what they can do for us today. All right, guys, here she is, fresh out of the bay, brand new rubber. Looks super nice, couldn't be happier. Glad I went with the 35. I like the bigger, taller tire, a little more sidewall, especially when I'm airing down. You guys know I go out to the sand dunes a lot, so yeah, like the stance of the truck. Hopefully I don't regret switching brands. These are Nittos. They're 35, 12.5 wide, 20s. This is the Trail Grappler MT. Pretty aggressive tread. Definitely a lot more meat than what I had going. Even, you know, the tire tech guys even talked about how well those Mickey Thompsons wear. If you guys are in the market for a tire, I don't not recommend. I love the Mickey Thompsons. Like I said, I really hope I don't regret switching brands. So if you're in the market, I definitely recommend those tires. They wear super nice. We're gonna give these a shot, take it for a test drive, see how she does. I got a long haul coming up this week, so we're gonna do some towing with it, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. This video has been a long time in the making, guys. Been a little over 2 years and some change now since we had these tires put on the truck. Really, I wanted to give you guys a really good evaluation of the tires. I wanted to give you a solid review, so that gave me time to put a lot of miles on the tires, put them through a variety of different situations. So yeah, so I can be honest with you guys about what I thought of the tires. As you can see, they're wearing really evenly. The tires have been rotated a couple different times. They've been, like I said, put through a variety of different situations. I've had it up in the mountains, got the thing in the snow. Tires seem to perform there well. I've had it out in the mud and in some muddy situations. Even got this thing buried pretty good. Seem to do as well as could be. Even more so than that, the biggest reason for me personally for converting from the 33s to the 35s, because I like to air these things down 15-20 pounds, and I'm pulling fully loaded trailer out through the sand into the sand dunes. I get much more of the balloon effect with the 35-inch tire aired down than the 33. It gives me that much more sidewall to help float on the sand. The truck performs exceptionally well out there. I've had to pull friends and family out on more than one occasion. A lot of guys will unload the toys, get the weight out of their trailer before they haul out there, but I just air this thing down. She mobs right on out there. No problems, no issues to be spoke of. I've had a lot of commuting hours on the truck, to and from work, hauling rock, landscape materials to the house, and different projects, lots of weight in the bed. Lots of highway miles going to and from the sand, pulling the trailer to boot. I was really nervous about the tires because my brother-in-law is running these exact same tires. He was having some goofy cupping and uneven wear and all sorts of goofy stuff going on with the tires. He seemed to blame the tires. Personally, my evaluation is he's got some lift and suspension issues going on with the truck that he's dealing with. So I've got no complaints. These things have wore really nicely. I'm really happy with them. I would definitely recommend them. Like I said, they're the Nitto Trail grapplers. These are a 35-inch, 12.5 wide, 20-inch wheel. Super happy with them. You guys, if you've been shopping around for tire rubbers, you know there's nothing cheap out there on the market right now. Everything's expensive. I believe mounted, balanced, good old Washington state sales tax out the door. These things cost me $1,850, somewhere in that vicinity. So you want something that's going to wear well, something that's going to last as long as they can last for you without having any issues. So I definitely recommend them. Like I said, the only reason I switched brands from the Mickey Thompson was just because I can get these locally if I were to tear one up or have an issue versus having to wait for one of those. The other big question that people like to ask, they talk, especially with the mud terrain tire, like to talk about the road noise. I can't say I really notice anything to speak of. Maybe it's because I'm running a 5-inch straight pipe down the highway. There's plenty of drone and noise to speak of. Maybe it's just drowning them out. I don't know. I'll let you guys kind of be the judge of that. But I've heard tires, you know, whining down the highway before, and I'm sure you all have too. I don't feel like I get any of that with these tires. So other than the tires, guys, I really haven't done a whole lot new with the Duramax other than to drive it and maintain it. A couple small changes inside I can show off real quick, I guess. Put the dual 9-inch screens in the back here for the kids with the cordless headsets. Those have been an absolute lifesaver on the road trips. Make no mistake about it. I highly recommend those if you have little ones. And the factory stereo was a bit on the fritz, so I replaced it with the double din DVD, GPS, nav, whatever you want to call it, all up there. So those are the two real only changes to the truck. know it's been a while since I've made some videos. I got lots of other content coming with the sand rail. It's kind of been my money pit lately. I am back in the game, trying to make videos, trying to appeal to the masses. I really appreciate those of you that have stuck with me, that are still watching the videos. Please keep hitting that like button, keep subscribing to the channel. That's what's going to keep the videos coming. I really appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.